The wild part? This dashboard right here was built using a single prompt with Claude AI. Watch this. And just like that, it's all done. Now let's rewind, because this is what we're actually starting with. This is a raw data set from a product-based business. Think a distributor managing inventory, supplies, and sales. We got transaction-level data, multiple product categories, even payment methods. But right now, it's just raw rows. No summaries, no insights, no structure. This isn't something you typically share with a client. Normally, turning this into a proper dashboard means building multiple pivot tables, dragging fields around, designing charts, calculating KPIs, formatting everything manually. That's easily a couple of hours of work. But instead, I'm going to let Claude AI write the entire Excel automation for me with one prompt and connect it to this button right here. Here is the exact prompt. I'm asking it to build a complete client-ready dashboard using VBA. Detect the data range automatically, build pivots, charts, KPIs, everything. Claude generates the full VBA code, copy it, paste it into Excel, drop it into a module, and assign micro. Now, if this works, this button should generate everything, all in one click. Let's try it. It's running. We get a confirmation, and the dashboard is ready. A styled banner header, KPI cards for revenue, profit, units, and margin. A category level breakdown showing revenue and profit side by side. Supplier performance for quick comparison. Inventory flow between stocking and stock out. And a full monthly view of revenue versus expenses. Everything clean, aligned, and ready to use. Behind the dashboard, everything is built on PivotTables. We got revenue and profit by category, supplier level revenue, product level inventory movement, and monthly revenue and expenses. Excel is doing all the aggregation automatically in the background. And when you get new data, just hit the button again and the entire dashboard rebuilds itself. So instead of spending hours building dashboards manually, you can turn this into a one-click workflow with AI. If you want to try this yourself, I've put the prompt in the description. And if you want more workflows like this, make sure to subscribe. I'm Kiki, see you in the next one.